Today I'm going to share few tips that are important to protect your teeth if you're undergoing orthodontic treatment. Whether you're using braces or aligners, brushing is your best defense. For braces, use soft bristled or orthodontic toothbrush. Brush above and below the brackets in a smooth circular motion. Brush after every meal for 2 minutes if possible. And consider use of electric toothbrush with orthodontic head. If you're using aligners, do not eat or drink anything with aligners off. Take off the aligners, brush your teeth well, and put them back. Consider use of floss threader or orthodontic floss. Try using electric flosser. It's best for braces and aligners. For dietary habits, I recommend avoid sticky, crunchy, and hard food with your braces on. Cut your fruits and vegetables into small pieces before eating. Remove your aligners before having anything. And rinse your mouth well before putting the aligners back in. Remember, orthodontic treatment is a joint effort between you and your orthodontist. Remember, clean teeth move faster and they look better when the braces come off. So brush well, floss daily, eat smart, and take care of your appliance. Your future smile will thank you. Thank you.
वेरीफाइड डॉक्टर से अपॉइंटमेंट बुक कराओ। oladoc, डॉक्टर का अपॉइंटमेंट आसानी से।